Hi, I'm Nicole Ramos and welcome to Home Court. Today we shall visit the crib of a teen student athlete who studies at the University of the Philippines Integrated School. He played for the RP Youth Under-16 basketball team. He was also a UAP Juniors varsity player for the UP Junior Maroons from 2011 to 2013 as the leading scorer in the Phil Oil 2013 Summer League. As a Team Gilas player winning the FIBA Asia silver medal in 2013 and being able to get a FIBA World Under-17 qualifier was worth all the hard work he and his team had put up with. It's time we meet hotshot Team Gilas guard, Diego Miguel Dario. Let's go, guys. Hi!
Hi guys, I'm Diego Dario from UPIS and I also play for the National Youth Team Under-16. Is that good? Yeah. Let's go. Come on in. This is where we hang out. After our dinner, dun sa dining table, dito kami nag-hangout. Tapos dito rin yung pictures. Mahilig yung families ko sa sa picture. So, para makita namin kung paano kami lumalaki, ganun.
Yeah, transformation. Yeah.
So, dito sa dining room, dito kami mostly nagtutalk tsaka nagbabanda sa family kasi pag kumakain kami, lagi kami sabay. So, dinner, breakfast, lunch, lagi kami sabay. So, dito namin nalalaman yung mga nangyayari sa day namin, ganun. Yun. Dito tayo sa study area namin. Tignan mo, nandyan yung desks namin and books. So this is where we study.
So Diego, how long have you been living here?
We've been here since 2004. So 10 years.
10 years.
Almost 10 years.
Yeah. So basically you had your childhood here.
Yeah. Since I was 6 yata, and I was here na.
In your home, anong favorite part mo? Where you usually stay?
Favorite part ko siguro ito, yung dining table, tsaka dito. Kasi nagbabond kami as a family, tas we talk together, alam namin yung nangyayari sa days namin, ganun. So yun. Kaya favorite ko yun.
I can see you're very close to your family,
yeah,
no?
Family first.
Yeah.
So makita nyo dito, nakahang yung one of my special jerseys, dalawa sila. This is my RP Youth jersey. That's what we used sa FIBA Asia in Iran. So maraming memories yan and sobrang privileged to play for the Philippine team. Yeah, it's everyone's dream, every player's dream. So ito naman yung jersey na to. It's my last playing year sa UPIS, so medyo memorable din and it's one of my best seasons ever sa UAP Juniors career ko. Yan. Ito para sa akin special tong medal na to kasi this is the FIBA Asia Championship when we won silver in Iran. So we were the first one who qualified second place in FIBA Asia kasi yung past 4th place ganun. So yung second. Kami yung first ever. Tapos kami rin yung first na magko-qualify sa Dubai under 17. Yeah. Yung piano na to, mas older pa sa akin, so medyo sira na, pero okay lang. So, ito. Dito pala sister ko, Gabi. Yeah, awesome.
Hi.
Tapos yung brother ko, little brother ko, si Igo.
Hi.
Very cute. So, let's go up to my room. This is where we hang out most of the time with him. We play on our laptops. We play 2K. Simple lang. 2 beds. Tapos, ito pala. This one. Ito yung parang main ng room. Because every day I start my day with a prayer and end it with a prayer din. So, kasi God is the reason for all of this. Kaya ito nangyayari. I just want to share na yung gusto ko sa room na to is so maganda yung view pag sa morning, morning sun, nakita mo, tas you can see their kids playing. Tapos dito din ako tinatawag ng mga naglalaro pag they want me to play, yeah. Here, sa room na to, dito kami nag-jam with my brother. Yung brother ko, sobrang galing niya sa instruments. Kaya may guitar, piano, drums. Lahat kaya niya. Wow. Idol. Tapos, ito yung guitars niya. Yung iba customized, siya yung naggawa niyan. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, my brother has a band, and they're called Idioms and Dispositions. Follow them at facebook.com/idiomsandispositions. Yeah.
Awesome. What inspired you to start playing basketball?
Di ko alam dad ko, parang I loved it na daw, bigla na lang. Since I was 3 daw, I was holding a ball na ganun. Yun.
Okay, when ka nag-start yung parang you joined a pro league?
Okay, so I started joining basketball clinics 5 years old, Milo Best. Tapos, as a varsity player, grade 2. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So, I was the youngest sa team na yun. Kasi parang ang kinukuha nila yung grade 4, grade 5. So, when grade 2 ako, yeah, they got me na. So, yan.
Kailan mo na-realize na this is the career path that you want to pursue?
When people started talking na, wow, may potential, ganun. So, I worked on my game, ganun. I practiced every day, work hard, yan. May court pala kami sa subdivision namin, tas dito ako nag-start mag-play ng basketball when I was grade 2.
Wow.
Yeah, so, I got to play with the bigger guys, pero nung start, hindi talaga nila ako pinapalaro kasi I'm like small, so baka matamaan, ganun. So, dun parang isa rin sa motivation ko, but ako kasi parang nag-work hard para makalaro din dito. Yeah. Tas, yun, got me to places na.
That's nice. Do you have other plans? Like, do you want to be in the PBA someday, and then other plans?
Of course. I want to be in the PBA. Pero syempre, I need to work harder pa kasi I'm still young. Tas, yun. And to play for national team again, maybe someday, hopefully, yun.
Thank you so much, Jago. We enjoyed our tour around your home and our chat for today. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nicole, and thank you, PTV Sports, for featuring our home.
See you next time.
See you.
On his last year in high school at the UPIS, 5'8" point guard Diego Miguel Dario will soon be one of the players to watch in the UAP college basketball scene. Armed with determination and perseverance, 17-year-old Diego's journey as a basketball player has just begun. With his accomplishments as a varsity player for UP and wearing our national colors playing for the Team Gilas, his beginnings as a young point guard is not bad at all. Home Court continues to inspire, featuring athletes and sports personalities, their dreams, their passions, and their homes. This is Nicole Ramos for Home Court.